Happy Earth Day, peeps. You know, there's a lot going on. Mercury's in retrograde, which means the planet that controls communication, electronics, and travel is stopping and appearing to go backwards. Why is that important to know? Well, because electronics, computers, travels, automobiles, and communication, whether it is in the form that I am utilizing, or it's written, or between two people, can seem to be a bit challenged. So, especially verbal communication. If the planet's going backwards, sometimes what is being spoken isn't being heard as it had been intended. Important to note. So, my tip for you is to be aware of that. And when you're communicating, take time to maybe say things twice and to inquire to the person you're talking to if they understood. Now, I mentioned there were other things going on, which there are. In addition to Mercury retrograde, we're having geomagnetic solar storms. That's when the sun has a lot of activity that's Earth-facing, and you can go to nasa.com, check out what they've got there. A lot of it will be very science-based, but they will speak about how radio towers can be knocked out and communication can be challenged on the science level. What NASA doesn't speak about is how we humans, which are electromagnetic beings, are affected by these geomagnetic storms. That's what inspired me to come on here and give you an awareness to. One of the things you may notice is that your sleep state or dream state, and they are different, will be more vivid, and you may remember them in the morning. So I've got a tip for you, because you can mind goals. And that is to keep a journal near your bed so that when you wake up, before you jump out of bed, you can reflect back and write down what you remember from that experience. And later, throughout the day, you may find that there are some pieces that the dream experience showed you that are missing from the puzzle that you're trying to solve in your health, in your relationships, or in your career.